Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I will be doing a lavender and turquoise cut crease, so I hope you enjoy. The first palette I'm using is the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to be using this turquoise shadow. I will be applying this on the inner part of my eyes. Next, I am taking this lavender shadow. I will place this beside the turquoise and extend it to the tail of my brows. Now I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm taking the lavender shadow. I will apply this to the inner half of my eyelid. And I am also leaving some space where I did cut the crease. Now I will take this turquoise shadow. I will apply this to the rest of the area. I'm taking more of the turquoise shadow and applying it on the inner half of my lower lash line. I'm taking the lavender shadow. I will apply this to the rest of my lower lash line. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. For this palette, I will be using the lightest highlighter. It's going to highlight my brow bone and inner corners. I'm going to take the highlighter and I'm going to outline the empty space of the cut crease. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell Beauty Studio Effects lashes in number 231. So this is how my look turned out. I recreated one of my looks from last year, and I do have this posted on my Instagram. The colors kind of remind me of spring, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and hope you have a great day.